as a marketing consulting firm, would you look to deal directly with players? Would you start soliciting players if you saw value in a certain player, like a Nate Watson, who has 1 million TikTok followers and is a star player on that team, who isn't necessarily going to get a huge endorsement deal from a huge market like Los Angeles or New York or whatever else?
Yeah.
Would you seek out players? Would you seek out their advisors?
Mm-hmm.
Would you say, hey, look, you don't need to make these phone calls on your own.
Yeah.
We'll take 3 to 5% or whatever it is and do it for you.
Exactly.
All you have to do is show up, sign, and then show up to your appointments, and we're good. Like,
Yeah.
how do you feel like it works in that space going forward?
I think that you're either going to, the people, basically there are agencies already that rep professional players, and I think it's it makes a ton of sense to just make the move and just rep the college players. So that right there, I think that is probably how the majority of it's going to happen.
So like a CAA or Wasserman or something like that?
They're going to take over the majority of the market share. But even you saw Barstool Sports do something. I think they signed 15,000 players overnight or something. They put it in, it's small stuff. But I think that's the direction that this is headed. But what I do really like is it just opened up an entire new avenue of gaining, like of using, what's it called? There's a term for it. It's escaping me earlier, but basically there are these websites out there that connect you to influencers, micro influencers, and you can just, okay, I'm selling a bikini. I can go on this website, I can type in swimsuit models, and then here is everyone that has between 15,000 followers and 25,000 followers. Here's all their names, their contact information, and whatever. Now there's a whole new access to athletes. If I want to sell sports product or whatever it might be, here are all the athletes, here's their social media followers, here's either their direct number or their agent's number or whatever it is.
Right.
So whenever possible, I would rather go right to the source, right to the kid, and talk to him and say, hey, can we work something out so we don't have to go through, your agent or whatever it is.
Right.
A lot of them won't have that. And I think it's going to be a good opportunity for marketing companies like us to leverage that to help our clients, and vice versa.